So I'm looking for a little bit of help right now. I just recently replaced the head of my Ninja 250 because I blew a spark plug, and I read a lot of things that said it'd just be easier to replace the head. Anyway, it went smoothly. I felt everything was good. I had to drop the motor. I took off the exhaust, took off the radiator, took off the gas tank, disconnected all the cables. Everything seemed to be fine. I've reconnected everything just how it was. I'm pretty sure I got the timing right, and I don't know. I'll let you listen to it. Tell me what you think. It sounds really rough. Really rough. Yeah, if anyone has any idea what I could have done, please let me know. Thank you.